In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote ClickBank products through email marketing, transforming an affiliate strategy into a relationship building powerhouse. We'll start by setting up a ClickBank affiliate account. With your registration complete, you'll have the doors open to the ClickBank marketplace, where exploring thousands of digital products across diverse niches becomes your toolkit. The secret to success here is picking products that truly resonate with you or align perfectly with your audience's interests. For each product you choose, a unique affiliate link is provided, which is the lifeline of your promotional strategy. This link is vital because ClickBank tracks sales through it and compensates you with a commission for each transaction made via your link. It's crucial to keep these links organized and secure, as they are the direct conduit between your efforts and your earnings. Next up, you'll need a reliable email marketing platform. Platforms like MailChimp, Constant Contact, or Pinpoint are highly recommended, as they do more than just store your mailing list. They give you the tools to create stunning design templates, automation capabilities, and offer essential analytics. Think of them as your command center for campaign management. Rather than sending out individual emails manually, these platforms empower you to develop professional-looking newsletters, segment your audience, time your messages, and gain insights into how recipients interact with your content. Managing a growing subscriber list or analyzing the effectiveness of your campaigns without such a platform would almost be unfeasible. Now, let's delve into creating your mailing list, a pivotal step in your strategy. This list should be curated with individuals who have opted in to receive your content, never purchased or mined from unverified sources. Embark on this journey by adding sign-up forms to your blog, website, or dedicated landing pages. Offering something of value in return for their subscription, like a free guide, checklist, or mini course related to your niche, can enhance signups. For instance, if you're into promoting cooking ebooks on ClickBank, a free recipe PDF could serve as an enticing lead magnet. Additionally, adopting a double opt-in system is essential. It sends a confirmation email to new subscribers, ensuring they are genuinely interested, and helps maintain a clean list, reducing the risk of them flagging your emails as spam. With your list built, it's time to focus on crafting your email content. The subject line is your first impression. Make it captivating enough to warrant opening. In the body, avoid diving straight into sales. Remind subscribers why they joined and deliver a warm, value-driven message. If promoting a gardening tutorial, instead of directly pitching, try providing a small tip on soil quality. Transition into mentioning how your recommended tutorial can elevate their gardening skills. People tend to connect more with content that educates or entertains over content that purely sells. Upon crafting your message, the next move is designing your email. Use the drag and drop editors available on most platforms. Aim for simplicity and professionalism without overloading with images and colors, which can distract from your message. Make your affiliate link stand out, possibly with a clear button or a hyperlink. Use images wisely. The ClickBank logo or relevant visuals can add credibility, but balance them with readability, especially since many check emails on mobile devices. Testing before sending is a step that cannot be bypassed. Verify that your affiliate links work by clicking on them yourself. Preview your email across various devices to ensure consistency in design. Once everything is set, you're ready to send it out to your list. Timing is also critical. Avoid overwhelming subscribers with daily emails. Instead, establish a predictable schedule, be it weekly or bi-weekly, allowing your audience to expect your messages. Regularity fosters trust, while erratic or overwhelming communications can lead to unsubscribes. After your campaign goes live, tracking performance becomes imperative. Leverage your email platform for monitoring essential metrics like open rates and click-through rates, and most importantly, conversions, to see how many of your subscribers transition from clicking your link to making a purchase. Match these insights with data from your ClickBank account. This will unveil the effective strategies, such as a particular subject line style or call to action, allowing for improvements. Finally, optimization and ongoing refinement are key. Email marketing thrives on constant evolution. Gradually tweak your subject lines, email content, design elements, and sending schedules to ascertain what resonates best with your audience. This method of A/B testing, like changing the header and observing which generates more opens, gradually shapes more effective campaigns that bolster steady sales. Always maintain ethical standards and compliance by providing an unsubscribe option, abstaining from sending unsolicited emails, and respecting your subscribers' inbox space. Trust underpins your success in affiliate marketing, and preserving it is crucial to fostering long-term engagement. To sum it up, promoting ClickBank products via email marketing is a structured journey. It involves selecting your products, deploying a professional email platform, crafting a qualified list, developing compelling content, designing visually appealing emails, rigorously testing, consistently sending, and diligently tracking for continuous refinement. Executed properly, this approach can emerge as a powerful, reproducible income stream that not only amplifies ClickBank promotions, but also strengthens lasting relationships with your audience.